And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. Don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is decluttering and cleaning my lack shelf. As you can see, it needs a good sorting out. Now this is probably going to be the shortest video ever, so I do apologise if it is really short, but I've got so much to film today, so I've got to quickly get through this, get on to the next one, and then go through a lot of things. I have loads of decluttering stuff going on. Obviously my wardrobe needs to be sorted. I've got to get some stuff for that. But I thought, you know what, let's start off with my lack shelf first. So I will do a before and after so you guys can see of what I've actually done. But what I'm going to do is obviously take everything off, give it a nice good clean, because it hasn't been cleaned in a very long while. I've had so much going on. Obviously being ill didn't help. So yeah, I've got to take everything all off, give it a nice good clean, and I want to sort it all out. Now I'll put the camera down so you guys can see these little black storages. They have my nail polish and stuff in. There's that one there and that one just at the bottom there. They have my nail polish and stuff in. So obviously I'm going to take them off of my black shelf. Sorry, the camera's a bit wonky. There we go. I'm going to take them off my lack shelf and pop them into the spare room, because I will be getting a little carry case thing for just my nail polishes, and then I'm just going to kind of declutter everything, move things about, obviously because these 3 shelves here look a bit too much, and every time I look at them I think there's too much going on. I want it a little bit more like minimalist. So yeah, I need to sort these 3 out definitely. So what I'm going to do is show you before, and then show you the process, and then show you the after. So this is the before. So I have my rose bear up there. Then I have obviously this little thing. There's so much going on up here. I need to like kind of sort it all out properly. So I have my little body candle here, 2 little snow globes that I bought from Tenerife, my little flower box up there, then obviously my books. Then I have the 1-year photo of me and Nathan together, my Beauty and the Beast music box, that there, I'm not going to say it because she'll go off. And then obviously the rose bell thing that I done for my mum's little photo here. I've got obviously these card game here, I've got a bit of paper, I have no idea why it's there. And obviously I've got these 2 baskets here, like I just said. These are my nail stuff. So I've got my nail stuff in there, loads of nail stuff in there. So they I will be going into the spare room. And then I've got my Mrs. Potts and Chip there, which will probably stay there. Excuse all that, because that's the wedding stuff in there, and that's the wedding stuff in there. So please excuse all that. But yeah, this is a before shot. And then I will show you the process and do an after.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. Something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin. Restore
after. So I've just kept the bear up the top because I literally have nowhere else to put the bear. So plus it looks really cute up there. Then on the second shelf, I just kept my books where they are. Just gave them a good clean and a dusting. And then on this shelf, I just have my little Beauty and the Beast music box, my little body candle, and obviously her as well. If I say her name, she will go off, so that's why I just say her. And then here, this shelf is just basically dedicated to my mum. So I've just got this rose bell that I've made for my mum. And again, it's inspired by Beauty and the Beast. And then I've got this beautiful photo frame. Again, just me and my mum. So that shelf is just dedicated to my mum. Then this shelf here, I've just got the Only For You rose box, which has got a necklace in it. So that's what the necklace looks like. I've never worn it, and Nathan bought me this a very long time ago, and I absolutely love it. So I've kept the necklace in there. Then I have my 2 little snow globes that I bought from Tenerife, just sitting there. I thought I'm not going to move them because they look beautiful on my luxe shelf anyway. I just need to display them a little bit more better. Then here we've got our 1-year anniversary picture, which someone we know actually made this for us, so I just kept that there. And then I've just kept me Mrs. Potts and Chip just down there. So obviously, as you guys would have seen, I did clean absolutely everything. I gave everything a good dusting, a good cleaning, and it looks so much more better. It looks a bit more minimalist and organised, so much better. Yeah, it's all kind of separated a little bit more, and I haven't got like 3 shelves so cluttered. So yeah, it looks absolutely beautiful, and I'm absolutely really pleased of how this is set up. So guys, that is going to end today's video here. Like I said, I'm so sorry if it is very, very short. But there wasn't that much to actually do in this video, obviously, apart from just give it the luxe shelf a good clean, a good sort out. I am going to put these cards for another day into the storage box in the spare room, because we are actually going to use these. These are the cards that we actually was going to use for Christmas. They're just like little couples talking hearts game. But yeah, we are still going to keep them. I'm just going to pop them into a box in the spare room. There is going to be other decluttering series, like my wardrobe, my dressing table, my bedside table. My boxes actually need to go through as well, so there's going to be decluttering about that as well. Obviously, I've got more Shein wedding stuff coming up. I've got loads more videos coming up for you guys, so stay tuned. There is going to be loads of organisations, decluttering, and also when it comes to the bedside tables, there will be a before and after, but we will be getting new bedside tables. If you guys remember our very old ones with the drawer at the top and then the door that has 2 shelves, we're going to get them back again. So it'll be like a declutter plus revamp bedside table anyway. But yeah, if you've enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.